Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Tecno Pova Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and here you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and here you have to scroll down and you have to click on parental controls. Then click get started and select child or teen. Now click next. And here click on other create account for your child. Now you have to enter your passkey. Here you have to enter your child's email. Then click next. And now you have to enter a password. Now click I agree. And click accept. Here you have to choose your account, and now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next, and here scroll down and click next. Click next again, and now you can click install family link, or you can click skip, and then you can install that manually, and click on review controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.